want to ask yung question ko, yung one question ko to the four, kay Derek, kay Dwayne, kay Haya, and kay Gab. Kasi parang very successful yung dalawang two-part series na Sky and yung in Espanya. Is there any pressure on your part, especially to Gab and to Haya, to do this? Kasi kayo yung magpo-portray nung ano dito, na bida. So, kay Direct muna, is there any pressure on your part na hindi man malagpasan, mapantayan yung success ng dalawang series?
Actually, matindi ko yung pressure nung una pala. Kasi ako mismo, pinanood ko yung first two books. Pati yung books na basa ko. So, even the adaptation mismo, kasi sobrang ganda ng book na sinulat ni Goy. So, yun yung pressure nun to translate it to a series. It's very challenging. Pero, yung pressure naman yung good pressure. Hindi naman siya parang intimidating na parang nakaka-paralyze or anything like that. It's more of, we just try to have fun. Lagi kong sinasabi kila Gam and Haya na iba tong book natin, where parang meron tayong, hindi natin pwede i-compare yung book natin dun sa first two books kasi kakaiba talaga sila. At lahat naman sila maganda. So, ayun, may pressure pero we enjoy the pressure, we welcome it, and we embrace the pressure.
Okay, maraming salamat.
Why? Yeah.
Every book naman po, there's always this pressure kasi every book is different from each other. So, since successful in Rain Espana and Save Skies Archer, we have to maintain that yung audience na yung mga nanood ng first two books, and also because this is such a new world for us kasi more on nasa sports field, wala naman ganito sa Rain Espana and Save Skies Archer. So yung pressure for me is coming from, you know, maintaining the essence of the story kasi that's what I'm here for. That's why I'm part of the creative, so that make sure na yung essence ng story and the characters will stay true to their characters talaga. So, for now, I mean, nakikita ko naman na they're really staying true to the character, and also nakabantay din naman kami sa lahat ng script. So, siguro it's how the audience will react na lang talaga kapag lumabas na. But since the cast, they're all working hard, I'm sure this will be a success too. Yeah.
How about Gab and Haya?
I have to take a breath every time. Pressure. I did feel a lot of pressure. It was like up and down. Every now and then I wouldn't feel it, but then I would. I do know that a lot of the pressure comes from because I know that we hold a lot of responsibility to pay respect to the stories and to a lot of different aspects of the story. And even like with the cheerleading, like I talk about this a lot, but really wanted to pay respect to that. Then sometimes it would make me anxious, but then at the same time I'm grateful for it because it shows that we care. And we care about making this project good and this show good. So, yes.
Sobrang, like what Haya said, sobrang pressure po yung sa amin to kasi this is the biggest project that we're doing, and pressure is good because it means na mahalaga yung project po sa amin, and we just want to do our best kahit masustain lang namin yung first and second book as long as magustuhan ng fans at ma-appreciate po yung binigay namin na work. Okay na po sa amin yun.
Thank you and congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin ang mga katanungan ni Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap.
Congrats guys sa new series. Kay Direct. Ano po kaibahan itong series na to or project na to from your previous projects?
Actually, ito yung first ko na kumbaga romantic comedy talaga. Pero as I've said kanina, ito nga yung series na hindi lang magpapakilig, magpapaiyak din siya, lahat na emosyon, which I've done previously sa mga projects ko. Ayun, yung mga previous projects ko kasi it's more very family-centered. Pero with this kasi, andun yung love angle, andun yung romance, pero matindi yung core nung book na to kasi naka-angkla siya sa family nung dalawang main character. So, ayun, so madali siya for me. Mahirap lang kasi mabigat. Mas iba yung topic, iba yung kumbaga yung pinagdaanan ng characters dito kasi sobrang bigat ng mga pagdadaanan nila. Pagdadaanan pa lang kasi hindi pa namin nakunan eh. So yun yung challenge. Pero ayun, it's something new. Kaya na-excited akong gawin siya coming from my previous project.
Thank you, Drake. Miss Gway naman. How are you going to compare your feeling yung sa nilaunch yung Rain in España, Safe Skies, kada series, anong feeling ang napakuha mo?
It's the same feeling all over again, the pressure that I mentioned earlier. And also excitement, syempre, kasi I will have to work again with new mga bida, and we will have to curate their character again. So for me, very, very exciting kasi I'm always excited to see kung paano magta-translate yung book into something na mapapanood mo on screen. So I'm really excited to see kapag pinapanood ko sila, I would be so happy na parang, ganito pala kapag inact na siya, ganito pala yung feeling. So I'm really, really excited. Pero the pressure comes with it din. Kasi, we will have different reactions from this. But, as long as we are all working hard, we know that we are working hard for this, I'm sure this will all be worth it.
And bakit daw Chasing in the Wild?
Huwag mo mag-mention ng universe. Okay lang po. Kasi po, it was originally yung yellow and green school. So, tigers and archer. So, chasing archer and wild tiger. So,
Gets na. Okay. Thank you. Good luck sa new series.
thank you po.
Thank you very much. Moving on po, from Abandoniling, we have Ray Pumaloy.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Hi, Bea. Tapos yung question ko for Wilbert and Gav, it's nice to see you cross already from sexy to wholesome. Ibig sabihin nito ay, wait lang ha. Ibig bang sabihin nito ay hindi na kayo magbibiba Max?
For now naman po, me and the management talked about this na we should focus on university series. Pero of course, we're not closing the door to do movies like that. Pero as of now, we want to focus on being savvy and him for being Arkin.
Hindi kaya walang sexy dito, no? Dahil wholesome.
Yes, wholesome naman po ito.
Okay. Wilbert. Si Wilbert na may pinakamarami kasing sexy.
Saan po? Actually, sa matagal na po ito, mga sobra na, magto 2 years na po ata na, 1 year pala na management po mismo yung nag-decide for me na to stop na Viva Max and then mag-focus sa wholesome. Yun lang.
Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
What?
Relief ba ito para sa'yo?
Medyo, kasi merong bigat, hindi po kasi talaga madali to do things like sex scenes and lalo parang wholesome naman ako sa totoong buhay. Medyo, hindi po siya madali talaga. Nakakapagod po siya sa katawan, sa utak. So, dito po sa mga wholesome na po na project. So, medyo mas magaan na po siguro in terms sa work na ginagawa. Ayun.
Thank you. Pa-bonus naman, Pibs, kay Gab. Kasi parang laki ng braso mo, Gab, dyan. Too good to be true. Pwede mo pakita in person kung talagang braso mo. Yes naman. Hindi ba enhance yan?
Kakatapos ko pa lang po mag-gym nun actually.
Okay. So hindi ano yan. Take it off. Take it off. Para sa fans.
Sabi na lang po sa movie na lang, para sa show na lang po, para may abangan na rin po sila.
Sus!
Okay. Good answer, Gab. Okay po, maraming salamat, Sir Ray. Okay.
Broke daw, sabi ng mga press, ayaw pumayag. Braso lang ang kami. Papakiplex. Malaki nga. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on tayo. Okay.
Balot na balot nga ako ngayon.
Mark, ikaw naman daw, sabi ng mga fans, pang-fans lang.
Wala ako sa kondisyon. Wala ako sa kondisyon.
Okay, thank you so much, Marco. Moving on po tayo kay Nurse Almo from GMA Entertainment. Also, gentle reminder lang po, Viva One po sana ang focus ng questions. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
Hello, good afternoon. This is for Miss Guay. Can I get your reaction lang doon sa mga love teams, kahit yung mga nauna na? Anong masasabi mo doon sa, nag-translate nga ba yung nasa imagination mo while writing? Nag-translate nga ba yung imagination mo while writing the books doon sa mga love teams?
Sa mga past po, or yung pati yung ngayon? Yes, actually, I was very happy with how the Reina Espana and Sales Guys Archer turned out. So really looking forward pa for Chasing the Wild. But I was there during the look test. So, pinili talaga namin dun si Haya at si Gab kasi I really see them as Sevi and Elise. From how they, like, the basketball, si Gab in real life, and then si Haya, the way she talks, really parang in character. So, I can really see them as their characters, especially kahit naman in the first place, kahit hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yan kapag look test. Kapag nakita mo na talaga yung result, yung episode, you will feel, especially yung for the first book, yung breakup scene ni Calix and Luna, yun talaga yung feel na feel ko. And then for the second book, di ka parang bakit laging breakup scene? Kapag breakup scene, saka ako nakikita talaga na sobrang in character nila. So really excited for their 5th anniversary. So siguro dun ko masasabi talaga na they really fit the role, and they bagay talaga sa kanila yung ginagawa. Bagay talaga sa kanila yung role na binigay para sa kanila.
Okay, second question is for Wilbert. Ay, sorry. Well, isa lang daw pala.
Ay,
Okay. Excited pa naman si Wilbur. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Abante Tonight, we have Roldan Castro. Dito po, in front.
Kay Anjo na lang. Anjo, kumusta ka trabaho mga bagets?
Naninibago ko kasi parang back to the past kasi mga kasama ko rin mga bagets. Although I'm having fun, hindi ko lang masakyan ngayon yung mga trips nila. Like music, like yung pananalita nila, like yung gimmick nila. Although I'm having fun, especially dun sa role ko kasi ako yung bodyguard ni Elise.
Pero marespeto naman ng mga to.
Sobrang may respeto sila sa akin. Wag lang kayong magmamano. Kiss lang kiss.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Maraming salamat po. So that's batch 1. Batch 2 consists of Romel Gonzalez, Jojo Panaligan, Bobby Requintina, and Kate Adahar. Ngayon po, pakinggan natin from PEP. We have Romel Gonzalez. Dito po, malapit sa ating catwalk.
Sige, my one question is for all the love teams here. Kasi di ba, sa pagkakaalam ko, ang totoo lang na may relasyon sa inyo si Heaven at si Marco. So the rest of so the rest of the love teams, wala bang level up sa inyong sitwasyon? Wala ba kayong gagawin para maging totohanan na rin ang relasyon niyo tulad ni Heaven at ni Marco? Siguro si ano muna, si Gab tsaka si Halsey.
For me, I'm really happy of what me and Haya have because we've been closer for the past few months because we've been doing workshops, relationship works, and especially the music video. And I'm just happy to be there with her, like seeing her grow as an actress. And I think, syempre Marvin na yan, hindi namin, ayaw po namin mag-compare and we just want to grow as a love team na may each identity.
Yes, Halsey.
The same thing. I don't really want to think about that. I don't right now. I mean, so far we're just really focusing sa project natin, and of course our relationship and the foundation of our relationship din. Pero so far, you know, I feel very, ano.
Parang pilig na pilig ka, Yasita.
All I can say is I'm very grateful that Gab is we're in a team together, and I feel very safe with him. I'm very grateful for that.
Krisha, kayo, kumusta ni Jerome?
Hi po. Okay lang po. Payapa ang aming mga puso. May payapa. Kalma lang naman kami. Siyempre, ilang masasabi ko po. Asan po yung kausap ko?
Ito,
Ay,
nasan siya ngayon?
kasi kailangan po yung mag-swimming papunta dito. So, dyan lang yung nasa ako.
Hindi mo ba siya dadamayan? Tutulungan mo?
Guys, from this table, may gusto
Nag-message naman po ako na sana everybody safe. Sana maging safe sila din.
Ano rin?
Safe naman. Safe naman sila. Mukha naman.
Ayun, thank you sa mga couples and congratulations.
Okay, thank you very, very much.
Anna Rina.
Open the floor to...
Meron pa ba ng love team?
Ay, sorry.
Sorry, pakisagot din.
Si Shakira pala.
Oo, tsaka si Jairus. Or baka kayo
Kami din matagal, kami pinakamatagal. Sa dulo pa po kasi istorya namin ni Jairus. And for now, we've been really enjoying being with the whole Brigada. And ewan ko, saya naman katrabaho. And let's go!
And then, syempre, like what Nicole said, malayo pa talaga yung book namin. So as of the moment, we enjoy each other's company talaga bilang co-workers kasi actually, the next book, mas nag-upgrade din yung connection namin in terms of working with each other. Mas naiintindihan namin sa isa kung ano dapat gawin sa promos and sa show itself. So, yeah, getting better every year, so we just enjoy each other's company, di ba? So, yep.
So, pasasagutin ko pa si Wilbert at si Bea kung kumusta na sa relasyon mo.
Kumusta bang relasyon namin?
Wala naman po. Ngayon nga lang kami magkakatrabaho nito. Ewan sa Nocturno. But, ako po para sa akin, pa sa isang love team naman, hindi naman necessary na kailangan maging kayo talaga in real life. What's important is maayos kayong nagtatrabaho, maayos yung working relationship din ninyo because after all, we all have lives outside our work. And I'm really grateful because Wilbert is, I feel like Wilbert is such a very reliable love team naman sa trabaho.
Thank you for your wonderful words. Matagal ko po kasi yung book namin, so friends naman kami.
Parang kinikilig ka habang sasalita si Bea.
Sabi niya, responsible daw ako eh. Reliable pala. Nakatrabaho na po kasi kami sa Nocturno. So alam na po namin yung working relationship namin. Paano kami, nagka-eksena na kami sa... Ba't ka mo nangasal? Nagkaka-eksena na po kami sa mismo. So, ayun po. Yun lang.
Ayun, thank you guys. Phoebe, one question lang yun.
Oo nga, thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Next naman, from Rider PH, we have Jojo Panaligan. Dito po.
Okay, direct na-require,
Sa harapan po.
na-require nyo ba silang lahat na basahin yung libro at in-instruct mo ba sila to be 100% true to the characters? At meron din ba kayong deviation from the story or characterization para mas maging cinematic? Related kasi.
I think nabasa naman na nila even before pa kasi third book na to. So, ayun. And ano kasi siya, di ba? Interconnected lahat ng mundo. So, alam ko nabasa na nila lahat.
Instruction, maging 100%.
I think in terms of character, we wanna be as loyal as possible dun sa sinulat ni Goy. Kasi tested na yung book ni Goy. Kumbaga, tsaka, as I've said, kami mismo, we fell in love with the characters nung sinulat siya. So, it's more of, I think, owning the character in a different way. Parang pag enact nila, may mga small touches of their personality. Pero, we try to be as loyal as possible.
So kung ano mababasa mo, yun ang makikita mo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Kasi parang na-pressure ako.
Alright, maraming salamat po. Moving on to Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar.
Hi, good afternoon. My question is for Guy. Guy, congratulations. I know na pati ikaw mismo as a writer, you gained a fan base. So ngayon, are you still in law school and how do you balance everything and ano yung aabangan? May law school love story din.
Yes, I'm still in law school po. How do I balance? Actually, sobrang hirap na po right now. Kaya, dami ko bang script na basahin as of the moment. But I always find time. I just know my priorities. For me, school is at the top talaga. And then, of course, I still try to reach yung deadlines for the scripts kasi lahat yung kailangan review. And it's hard kasi I have to be on guard. Kailangan word by word I have to read them. Hindi ko pwedeng skim because, we all try to protect the essence of the story. So, kailangan yung mga information sakto since they're all interconnected with each other. Kailangan yung timelines, they're all sakto sa book. Kasi if not, magkakagulo talaga lahat. So, it's really hard right now. Pero, I still try to balance everything out. For the law school love story, since tapos na po kasi until book 6, I don't think there's a law school love story there. But I'm keeping that in mind if ever I write more in the future. Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman from Manila Bulletin, pakinggan natin si Bobby Requintina.
Magandang hapon. Direk, how would you describe yung chemistry ni Gab and Haya? And kinilig din ba kayo habang tinutunan ang mga eksena nila?
Actually, pa lang po, look test pa lang. Parang matagal na nila magkakilala. Yung sinasabi nilang months pa lang. Pero nung first time ko sila ma-meet, parang ang tagal na nila magkakilala. So, ayun, tinan niyo sila. Kaya kung hindi nila tayo rin. Ayun, meron agad. Nung hindi pa nga kami nagbabasa po ng script, book test pa lang, photoshoot, meron na agad eh. I think yun yung natural, yun yung mahirap hanapin sa isang love team. And I think meron sila na.
Okay, maraming salamat.